This is a presentation on the Studio Arts Certificate program at MassArt. It's a non-credit certificate program, and we are very excited about it because it gives you a chance to just kind of focus on your work in a kind of with an idea of achieving something at the end. So you dive deep into an area you already know, or you experiment, you choose different classes. You can use it afterwards you can use it with a focus, with an idea of developing a portfolio to apply to residencies, to grants, or degree programs. You can focus on improving your visual skills and apply those skills to other areas of your life, because visual skills are just handy. You just look at the world differently when you focus on it. And, we have a thriving art community here at MassArt, and you would be part of it. So the program can be completed in 9 months or a year or even more. But you can take your time and come back. You can go away, come back, and as you need. There's no pressure to finish it in a year or 9 months or whatever. You can take your time, or you can really focus on it and really just finish it very quickly. You can do it all online, or you can do some classes in person or online, or in person totally. So we have 7-week classes which allow you to take a variety of things during your time here, or you can focus on one thing. You can take a full semester class, 7-week classes. You can mix it up. So the idea is that you can either focus on one thing, or you can just explore, a total exploration, but you'll end up with work, and that work you can use to do something else with, or nothing. Could just be for fun. So the structure is here again: 8 7-week classes. Can be a mix of 7-week or full semester classes. Full semester classes will count for 2 7-week classes because they're twice as long. The short workshops don't count. We have some workshops that are like a weekend or 1 day or so, and those would not apply to the certificate. Classes can only be applied to the certificate once. So if you take ceramics 5 times, it will only count once towards your certificate. If you want to add a class, you'll see in a minute that all the classes that apply to the category to Studio Arts certificate are in a category that we have on our website, just for the convenience of it. It changes every semester as our classes, the offerings change. But if you see something outside of it, like a fashion class, for example, that you would like to apply to the certificate program, just write to us to have that happen. Otherwise, you register and pay as you go for classes in the studio certificate category, and the online catalog is available on our website every semester. So there is no application. You would just choose workshop and enroll in the certificate button at the point of registration, and that way you enroll in the certificate. You don't have to choose it continuously, because once you've done it, you'll be in it. If you finish the class as of spring 2024, that could count towards the program. So here's an illustration. This just shows you what you'll see on our website. When you go to our website, you'll see there are categories. One of the categories is Studio Arts. You just click on that one, and you click on, I don't know if this thing is in your way, it's in my way. You click on Workshop and Enroll in Certificate Program, and that, it's the same price, same thing. Either you decide to just do a workshop with nothing, a class with no certificate, which you can do, or you take the class and also enroll in the certificate program. There's no extra cost to do that. So we're on to cost. The cost of the program depends on what you take. So 7-week classes right now are $575 or $625, depending on materials. And full semester classes are $1,523. So these are often, the full semester classes are often on campus and, have materials and things like that, like silk screen printing, ceramics, and so on. So for 8 7-week classes, 4,600, or you can do your whole program with full semester classes. It would be more, but you could do that. Payment is at the point of registration. There's no financial aid because it's a non-credit program and very short. So why would you bother to do it? Well, it gives you a goal, it gives you a focus. You meet experienced artists and teachers. There are public talks on campus, public exhibitions. We have great studio facilities here. There's a drop-in drawing session on campus in the fall and spring. There's a library, discounts on art supplies, general admission. There's a fitness center across the street, and career services and alumni community and services. So you see at some of these things that even if you just took a class, you would have access to some of these things, but not everything. Yeah, that's a main thing here. So I'm going to we can go on to questions if you have questions. I'll stop sharing right